At Ward's Barber Shop in Portland.
We do haircuts, face shaves, head shaves, beard trims.
Cuts are a cash business.
And we opted to, instead of raise prices, go cash only.
But in a semi-cashless age, owner Alex Ward says he wanted to give customers options, which is why he also accepts Venmo.
The ATM's down, people don't have their wallet, whatever it is. All of a sudden, Venmo goes very high very quickly.
Third-party payment apps like Venmo or PayPal have become popular for small businesses and freelancers that don't want to pay credit card fees. But this tax season, the IRS is shaking up the rules for how that income needs to be reported.
The idea is that this is for goods and services being sold for profit.
Tax expert Mike Santo says the new rule will be phased in over the next few years. For 2024, businesses will be required to report any income through these apps of $5,000 or more. Next year, that will drop to $2,500. And for 2026 and beyond, it will be just $600.
This is where it can get tricky. Each of these third-party payment apps, there's a bunch out there. They probably have all tackled this a little bit differently.
Santos says each app should automatically send you a form to include in your tax return if you hit the income threshold. But again, this is only for businesses. Santos says the rule isn't meant to penalize people who use Venmo to split things like rent or dinner out with friends.
If it was just for the reimbursement of expenses, you shouldn't be getting taxed on that.
Back at Ward's Barber Shop, they don't expect to see a major impact right away, but will be following the changes closely.
I don't think we'll hit the initial threshold, but I think come year 2 and definitely year 3, that will be a larger concern.
Tax experts say if you use Venmo a lot for personal use, there's a chance you could end up wrongly getting a tax form in this first year. It should be an easy fix, though, by just reaching out to the app directly. But when in doubt, it's always best to ask a tax professional what is and isn't required. On your side, I'm Dan Lamparello.